Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And for today's YouTube episode, you guessed it, another YouTube unboxing. I know it's been a while, but yeah, this is the American DJ Mega Part Profile Plus UV light from American DJ. You can use it as a stage light, you can use it for DJing, which is mostly what it's used for, and you can use it at concerts, TV shows, film productions, and this light does not come with a controller like the first models of the second model. I did order that second model controller, but yeah, hopefully when I get it August 13th, I'll have a YouTube episode on that also. And this light is also used at music festivals like Ultra Music Festival, EDC, Las Vegas, and also Tomorrowland. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Let me just get to the unboxing, which is the part you guys like. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is a really good store you should buy from. Pro Sound Stage and Lighting. Here it is. You can see the front of the box. You can see the side of the box. Ooh. Okay, the first thing you get is the manual. And a warranty registration card. Nobody really fills those out anymore. Usually people fill it out online. You get the cable to connect it, your standard cable. And the thing that you guys been waiting for is the light itself. Here it is. Oh yeah. Here you got your DMX port right here. I don't know, you can barely see it, but you got your DMX port here. Over here you got the plug. And then up here you got your, well, calculator graphic type of meter. And then here you have all your buttons. Here you got your rubber pads, because you could have this on the ground, or you could C-clamp this like I'm gonna do, and C-clamp it the professional way. That way it doesn't fall in somebody's head when you're doing a production gig. And as you can see, it has the UV light right there in the center. Oh yeah. Let me do a demonstration real quick to show you guys. Woo. There you could see that it has, I gotta learn how to use this, but you can see there, and I guess if you push, oh yeah. DJ light. And well guys, that's about it. There's really not much to say, but to say that this is one hell of a nice light, and I hope you guys liked this and enjoyed this YouTube episode. Always remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.